If you want to understand and improve your workforce's diversity, HR analytics can help you find your way to fairness, inclusion, and organizational success. Imagine a lively workplace where people from all walks of life and point of views work together to weave a web of creativity and talent. In this case, HR analytics is very important because it gives us a lot of useful information about how diverse teams work together and how they are structured. First and foremost, HR professionals use data to keep track of and measure diversity metrics, which give a picture of how diverse the company's workforce is right now. By looking at demographic data, they can see where representation might be lacking or too high. They then set diversity goals and benchmarks to track progress over time. Another thing that HR analytics does is watch out for bias and discrimination in the workplace. HR professionals find biases in the hiring, promoting, and evaluating processes by looking at large amounts of data. This lets companies take action like training managers on how to be less biased and using more inclusive hiring practices. But that's not all of HR analytics. It goes deeper into the ideas of belonging and inclusion by looking at how happy and engaged employees are in a wide range of departments. HR professionals look at data from employee surveys and focus groups to find out what makes people feel like they belong and are included. This makes it possible for programs like diversity training and employee resource groups to help create an inclusive workplace. HR analytics also help companies use the best qualities of diverse teams, which leads to new ideas and better problem solving. HR professionals can learn how diversity affects team performance by looking at data on team composition and how people work together. This helps companies encourage cross-cultural collaboration and use different point of views to get better business results. When it comes to developing talent and moving up in your career, HR analytics helps make sure that everyone has the same chances. HR professionals make sure that development programs and mentorship programs help a wide range of talented people get to leadership position by figuring out what stops them and how they can be helped. In the end, HR analytics affects an organization's employer brand and public image by showing how committed they are to diversity and inclusion. HR professionals tell outsiders about the company's diversity efforts by looking at data on employee satisfaction and recruitment results. This helps the company's reputation as an employer that values diversity and welcomes everyone. Remember, HR analytics is not just about numbers. It's also about making the workplace a great place for everyone to do their best. With the help of data-driven insights and strategic initiatives, businesses are paving the way for a future where everyone is welcome, diversity is celebrated, and success has no limits.